channel, for subscribing, and of course for watching my videos and giving also nice comments. And in this video, guys, is another unboxing, and it's gonna be the present from his tita and tito from Italy, the aunties and the uncle. And we just received a bit late because of course it's coming from Rome, Italy, and then it takes some time. So now let's start unboxing.
Okay, unboxing. Let's cut it.
Look what there is here.
Okay, this one, nothing. This one, nothing.
Wow! Look!
Oh, e questo che cos'è?
Where's the zebra? Look, where's the zebra? Zebra where? Where's the zebra? Yes, this is giraffe. This is giraffe and this is zebra. And the lion as well. Where's the lion? No, you see guys, he's very interested to open it.
Una tartaruga. E questo è un topolino. E questo è il canguro.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Wow, this is from whom? Yes. Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Wow, look. Nice. Ima say grazie mille, zio. Wait lang. You see? What there is? Yeah. We will not break the paper, guys. You see, look, very nice. We can make a decoration in Liam's room with all the animals. There is a crocodile, zebra. Hey, yes. Giraffe, turtle, elephant. Look, elephant. An elephant goes like this. And wow, the bunny. Look, the bunny.
And what is this one?
Wow. Chicky, chicky, bim. Chicky, chicky, bim. Chicky, chicky, bim.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, nice. Look. Oh, the bunny.
The bunny light. Oh, but it's discharged. We must. This is like the. We must charge it.
Wow, look guys. Look guys, oh very nice. It's a bunny night light. Wow. So nice. You are truly bunny.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a rechargeable, you see. So we will charge later, and tonight he will use it in his crib. Yeah, you like it? Love, love, love to the bunny. Love, love. Love, love. Wow, so sweet. You like it? Wow, okay.
Okay, say grazie zi.
You must say, grazie, zio. Say, flying kiss to them. Flying kiss. Wow! He's very happy. He likes guys. You see, he's giving also flying kiss. Wow, nice.
Okay.
You
see.
want the box? The other one?
Guarda qui che c'è. Wow.
Wow, look.
Wow.
Oh, so nice this one with all the decorations.
Open.
Open it. Let's see. Let's do it. Open. Where is the scissor? There. Be careful. Slowly. Be careful. Okay. Look. What's this? It's you see the flowers. You see? And this is a kind of bird. You see?
Yes,
Parrot. Yeah, it's a parrot. You see? It's a bird. Okay. Help. Wow! What's this? It's a shoes. You see? With a snowman. This one is a snowman or no?
No,
It's a car. A bear. What? Wow! Nice! Nice shoes!
Che tanta follia.
Yeah, this is you can wear on Christmas.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a Christmas. You see, look. Look. Wow, the shoes.
Like
Where's the car? No, where's the car? Where's the car? Where? Wow, yeah, the wheel. Where's the wheel? Where's the wheel? Yes. You see? This is the bear.
Teddy bear.
Yeah, teddy
Oh,
bear.
wow.
Wow.
We can put this one.
Very nice. Wow, look. Ah, stand up.
Ah,
Stand up. Show to them. Wow. Wow, look. See the shoes of Liam. So nice. Ah, okay.
oh, e guarda, c'è ancora qualche altra cosa qua.
There's another one here.
Wow,
Wow. Oh, this is also very nice.
wow, guarda che bella questa con tutti i cavallini. E questi qua chi sono? Il topolino, il draghetto, le tartarughe, il cavallo, l'elefante. Wow.
Nice.
Ah, questo è va.
Oh, let's open this one. What it is? One, two. Ta-da-da! What it is here?
Wow!
Oh. Ding, ding, ding. This is the bat. You see? It's a bat. Wow! You see, it's flying beam. Huh? Look, huh? Chee, 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 chee. It's flying. You see? Wow, so nice. Huh?
Because this one is staying like that. Chick.
Yeah, you must hang here.
Toc, toc, toc.
Yeah, very nice. And this?
Yoo-hoo. And it's doing peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, peekaboo.
Ah, you do peekaboo. Dali, you do peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
You do peekaboo.
1, 2,
Peekaboo muna.
3, peekaboo.
You 1, 2, 3. Ah, he likes. He
Ah.
really likes the bunny light. And what about this?
Wow. E questi? Guarda che
Squish
carini.
and splash.
Ah,
Animal bath. Ah, this is
questi sono
for
belli.
for the shower.
Yes.
Wow, look. Where's the eyes? Where's the eyes? Where's the eyes? Wow. Oh, you want it? Ah, this is Lolo over bingo. Ah, this is bingo. Ah, nice, huh? Ah, this is with the light. You see color changing.
Wow.
Nice, very nice. So another. Ah, there is another one.
Ooh.
Wow, there is
Ah.
also the.
Ah. Look.
Look, very nice. Look, Liam, oh. Look, oh. Oh, look, oh. Is he your Alex? Is he your Mimo? Is he your Nati? Oh, give a kiss. Kiss. Wow, so
You see?
sweet.
Tanti auguri piccolo Liam, non vediamo l'ora di conoscerti. With the bunnies.
Wow.
Vedi, with the bunnies.
Wow, so nice. And this one?
Oh, there is also a card.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ah, yes.
Dear Liam, from your Italian uncles and aunties, many kisses and a wish for a life full of happiness, joy, fun and lots of love.
Wow, you see?
Zio Zizzo, zia Nati and zia Mimma.
Wow.
The robot!
Look, the robot.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3. Robot.
Look.
Oh, very nice. This guys, this birthday card. Look. You open it and the robot is coming. Happy birthday. Grazie mille. Wow. You see? Look, huh? Open. 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 Whoop. Close. Open. Open. Whoop. Close. Close. Open. Whoop. This is this one.
Zia Nati, zia
Very
Mimma,
nice.
zio Alex. Give another kiss.
Ah, you're giving a kiss again. Oh, give a kiss. Give a kiss. More.
E questi sono gli zii.
Oh. There is something coming. Very nice. I can see already. La 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 la.
Wow.
Wow.
So nice.
What's this? Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
No, dragon.
Guarda. Sì, sì, sì.
shirt. You see, for the Christmas. Very nice. Oh, so nice. The three of them. Okay, guys. So it's a all very nice gift from his aunties and uncle, and even myself. I like it very much, especially this one, the bunny. Look, so nice. So we will put in our bedroom later. First, we will charge. Thank you very much, Nati, Mimo, and Alex. Hope to see you soon, very soon, I hope. And we like it very much, the gift, and I'm sure Liam, as you can see, that he like it very much, you see. And also your pictures, he's giving a kiss. So yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ciao ciao, grazie mille. Ci vediamo presto.
Ciao. Say na bye. Bye, Nanak. Bye. Yay,
Bye.
bye.
Give me a
Thank you
flying
so
kiss.
much, guys, for watching.
Give flying kiss.
Flying kiss to them? Flying kiss to Ate. Oh, flying kiss? No, now he is very busy. Thank you
With the
so much,
picture.
yeah, with the picture. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.